Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chris from Chris's Trains. I just thought I'd give a little bit of a different update today. Let me show you what I got here. Got a 2015 Eco Diesel. Really, really nice, man. Love it. It's a good truck. Got a 3-inch lift on there. Real nice. You know, got some 20s and 35s and stuff. It's a real nice looking truck. Got this tip exhaust ordered. Excuse me. My uncle just put it on today. We welded it on, and yeah, he fixed it up. So I'm gonna show you how she sounds. And let me just adjust my phone right here. So yeah, let's check her on out. Here we go. So yeah, looks pretty good and sounds good, and it just does good. It even sounds good once going down the highway. Sorry about my shepherd there, Zeus, and our Dalmatian half border collie, old Bud. Right, Bud? Sound good? Y'all ready for that truck ride, huh? You go for a ride in that truck? Yeah, huh? Zeus is ready. Are you ready to go in the truck, Zeus? You go for a ride? But yeah, I just thought I'd give a quick update, man. I just thought I'd let y'all know. All right, peace out. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Everybody be safe and enjoy the time. Peace out.